So you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and you have an issue with the watch where your screen is frozen or unresponsive or stuck somewhere and you can't restart the normal way. If that's the case, then what you can do is you can force a restart, okay? Very simple. You got the two big buttons over here. What you want to do is press and hold both buttons and keep on holding and wait till you see a Samsung logo. Once the Samsung logo appears, then you can let go, okay? So let's just pretend like my watch here is frozen here on the clock. We'll do it together. Both buttons, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding. I just felt it vibrate. Just keep on holding. Don't worry about what's on the screen here. Keep on holding till we see that Samsung logo. Still holding both buttons. Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go and give it a little bit to boot back up now. And there we go. And if you're frozen again, just do the same thing again and hopefully your watch will be back up and running. Pretty simple.